Hello, 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 kabarangay! Ayan, ready na yung for dinner later. So, yan yung salmon steak this morning. So, na-marinate na yan ng spicy ingredients. So, ayan yung para sa boss. And then, ito naman yung for the kids. Salmon and white fish. So, i-ready ko na dahil they will have early dinner. So, together with that, steam ko lang. But this one is ready. So, katatapos ko lang naluto yan sa oven. So, yan, ready na to be served with this. So, sana nagustuhan nyo mga kabarangay.